Have you ever wondered if you could actually make money just by writing online? Maybe you've heard stories of people making money online from writing articles, blog posts, or simple lists, but then you ask yourself, are those websites even real, or are they just another online scam? The good news is they're legitimate websites that pay writers, businesses, publishers, and online platforms are constantly looking for fresh, high-quality content, and they're willing to pay for it. Now, I want to set realistic expectations. These websites are not get-rich-quick schemes. They won't make you wealthy overnight. Your earnings depend on your writing quality, experience, consistency, and the demand for your skills. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 trusted websites that can actually pay you to write online. I'll explain how each one works, who it's best for, how you can get started, and what you can realistically expect. So grab your notebook because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to begin your writing journey. So yeah, let's get started. The first website is Medium Partner Program. Medium is one of the world's largest publishing platforms. Millions of people visit it every month to read articles about technology, business, health, productivity, personal finance, travel, relationships, and many other interesting topics. Unlike traditional freelance websites, Medium allows you to publish articles under your own name. Instead of working directly for a client, you build an audience. Eligible writers in the Medium Partner Program earn based on engagement from paying Medium numbers, so income can vary widely. One of the biggest advantages of Medium is that you don't need to find clients. If your articles are useful, well written, and resonate with readers, they can continue attracting views long after you publish them. Good topics include personal finance, artificial intelligence, productivity, career advice, self-improvement, programming, entrepreneurship. Some writers earn only a small amount each month, while others can significantly earn more after consistently publishing valuable content. There are no guaranteed earnings, but consistent, high-quality writing can help you build an audience over time. Please note, don't just write what you enjoy. Research topics people are actively searching and interested in. The next website in today's list is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the entire globe. Instead of publishing articles for readers, Upwork connects you directly with clients who need writing services. Businesses hire writers for blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media content, SEO articles, technical writing, and in fact, ghost writing. To get started, you need to create a professional profile that highlights your skills and experience. If you're new to writing, include a few strong sample articles to showcase your abilities. Next, search for writing jobs that match your interest and submit thoughtful proposal. Rather than sending the same message to every client, explain why you're a good fit for that specific project. At first, competition may be tough and you may need to start with smaller projects to build your reputation. As you receive positive reviews and complete more jobs, you have a much better chance of attracting higher paying clients. Some writers use Upwork for extra income, while others eventually turn it into a full-time freelance business. Success depends on your skills, professionalism, client relationships, and consistency, not on overnight results. You need to understand that specializing in one niche, such as finance, healthcare, technology, or real estate, can make you more competitive and allow you to charge higher rates as you gain experience. And then the final website in today's list is Constant Content, and this is actually a different website compared to the other ones I've made mention of. Instead of waiting for clients to hire you, you can write articles in advance and upload them to the platform's marketplace. Business browse the marketplace looking for high quality content. If they purchase your article, you basically get paid. This method actually gives you more freedom because you can write about topics you know well before a client even contacts you. However, there's an important catch. Constant Content has strict editorial standards. Your grammar, originality, research, and formatting must be excellent. Poor quality articles are often rejected. If you're confident in your writing and you enjoy creating evergreen content that businesses can use, then this platform can be a great option. Now, before you rush off to create an account on any of these websites, there are a few important things you need to know. These tips can save you time, help you avoid common mistakes, and increase your chances of succeeding as an online writer. The first is there is no such thing as guaranteed Income. Let's start with the biggest misconception. Just because a website pays writers doesn't mean you start earning money immediately. These platforms are opportunities, not guarantees. Your results depend on several factors, including your writing skills, the quality of your work, how consistently you apply or publish, clients' demand, and the platform's requirements. Some people may get their first paid opportunity quickly, while others may need more time to build experience and improve their portfolio. The key is to stay consistent and keep learning. This is one of the biggest red flags you should watch out for. Legitimate platforms do not require you to pay a fee just to access writing opportunities or receive work. If a website asks you to pay a large registration fees, promises guaranteed income after payment, or pressures you to invest before you can start earning, then take a step back and do your research carefully. Always read reviews, check the platform's official website, and understand how it works before signing up. And then the third is the fact that your writing doesn't have to be perfect. Many beginners think they need to be professional authors before they can actually earn money online from it. That's simply not true. What matters most is your writing. If your writing is clear, well organized, or easy to understand. As you continue writing, your skills will naturally improve. Reading more, practicing regularly, and proofreading your work before submitting can make a big difference over time. Another important thing you need to note of is the fact that you need to choose one niche instead of writing about everything. One mistake many new writers make is trying to write about every topic. Instead, consider choosing one or two areas you're genuinely interested in or willing to learn about. Example includes personal finance, technology, artificial intelligence, health and wellness, education, travel, business, productivity. When you become knowledgeable in specific niche, clients are often more likely to trust your expertise, and you can build a stronger portfolio around that subject. Another very important thing is you having to build a simple portfolio. Even if you've never been paid to write before, you can still create writing samples. For example, write 3 to 5 original articles on topics you're interested in and publish them on a platform like Medium, or keep them in a document you can share with potential clients. Having samples give people a chance to see your writing style and helps demonstrate your skills. The 3 websites I shared in this video are legitimate platforms where people can find writing opportunities, but they are not shortcuts to instant wealth. Think of them as tools that can help you build experience, develop valuable writing skills, and potentially earn income over time if you stay consistent and continue improving. The most successful writers focus on providing value, meeting deadlines, communicating professionally, and always delivering their best work. If you approach online writing with realistic expectations and a willingness to learn, you give yourself a much better chance of long-term success. Now that you know what to expect, the next step is simple. Choose one platform, create your account, build your profile, and start writing. Every successful writer started with the first article. And there you have it, guys. These are 3 websites that can actually help you earn money as a writer online. Remember, none of these platforms guarantee income. The writers who succeed usually have 3 things in common. They keep improving their writing, they publish or apply consistently, and they treat writing like a professional skill rather than a shortcut to easy money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these websites are you planning to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.